It's a beautiful day in early March, sun shining, blue sky. There is quite a cold breeze, especially when you get above the trees. So I've come down into the woods and found a nice spot to sit, watch the world and have a cup of coffee. And as I thought I'd bring a stove with me, which I occasionally do on day walks, just to make a hot drink if I feel like it. And I thought I should bring one I've never used before that came in to test recently, which is a all-in-one system stove from Fire Maple. I'll put the full name, which is quite long. It's the Star X Pro, something like that. I'll put it up on the screen. It comes with a litre sized pot with a heat exchanger. You get a lighter inside. It has a cup which goes inside, but not on the outside. I probably won't use that. And then the burner, which it clicks into. Once it clicks, it's quite secure. Now you can get a 100 size canister in there with this. You can get a 230 size canister in there, but you can't get the burner in as well. Whichever way up you put it, it sticks out at the top. And given, I think, the width of the pot and the burner, there is better stability. Put this lighter in my pocket. With this size canister, because as you can see, it's about the same width as the burner. So that is reasonably stable. With a 100 size canister, I'd be more inclined to carry one of those, plastic stabilizing legs to give it support. It's got a piezo igniter. It's got a very small control knob in there. And for the sake of comparing it with the stoves, I'm going to boil half a litre, 500 ml of water, that being the standard generally used for tests. It's a bit more water than I need. I think my mug is absolute maximum, that is filled to the brim, 450 ml. But as I say, so I can compare it to other stoves, it'll be 500 ml that I'm going to bring to the boil. As I say, the temperature is about 10 degrees, so it's warm but not hot. That's 10 degrees Celsius, of course. And there is, say, an occasional light breeze. The sun is warm. And let's turn the stove on. There we go. That's the first time I have ever turned this stove on. And as you can hear, that's on full. It's noisy, but not as noisy as some gas stoves, and I will roughly time how long it takes, though obviously as I am not doing another stove at the same time, it won't be comparative with anything. And my mug is a double wall titanium one from Soto, which is great in cold weather. I don't bother with the double wall. You know, once the temperature gets a fair bit warmer than this, it's not needed. But unless you want your drink to cool down extremely quickly, it's a good idea in cold weather. And I have some of the no normal tube coffee, which I've been drinking on my last few trips. As you can see, I'm getting near the end of this tube. It's quite handy and the coffee is pretty good. Now we wait and see how long this takes. Well, the steam appearing already. There is one slit in the lid to let the steam out. And one thing I do like about it, that I liked when I did a little video short on it when it was new, before I'd used it of course, is the handle. Some of these system stoves have, you know, fabric or webbing handles in a curve here forming a loop. They work. I don't find them very secure or particularly easy to hold, whereas this, oh, I think we have boiling. Yeah, we do. Well, that was just about 2 minutes. The stopwatch says 2 minutes 15 seconds, but I didn't start it when this started doing so. 2 minutes, so that I think is fast, so that's quite impressive. And I'd say the handle is great, and now you can twist slightly, lift, and it comes off. So overall that is good. A fast time, and there's water in my mug. Let it cool slightly, it's coffee so it's off the boil, and then add some of the squeeze tube coffee. It's easy enough as well with this coffee, you know, to get the strength you want. You make it, it's not quite strong enough, add a bit more. If it's too strong, add a bit more water. Right, that's probably cool enough. Stir the coffee in. And certainly, as I say, this is, I think, a fast boil. It's easy to use, it's quite efficient. The price is very good. I'll put that on the screen as well. I imagine I will be using it again.